defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 308 out.
An eastbound intermodal approaches the Benedict Street crossing in Chillicothe, Illinois. On this evening of rail fanning, all 4 trains that I saw came from the west, and unfortunately with the sun shining bright, all 4 clips have bad lighting conditions. A second eastbound intermodal approaches.
Milepost 132.4. Main 2, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 304 out.
BNSF mainly routes the highest priority intermodal traffic along the Transcon via the Chillicothe Subdivision compared to the more northern route of the Mendota Subdivision. Both routes are owned by the BNSF and travel between Galesburg and Chicago. Although there are a few manifest and auto rack trains on the line, they are very uncommon, and anything lower priority, such as coal, will be routed via the Mendota Subdivision.
Main
The third eastbound intermodal approaches.
no defects. Total axle 308 out.
Amtrak currently uses the more northern Mendota sub for their trains, but before the Burlington Northern and Santa Fe merger, the Southwest Chief used the Santa Fe tracks, which are the present-day Chillicothe Subdivision tracks, and the California Zephyr used the Burlington Northern's tracks, which are the present-day Mendota Subdivision tracks. A fourth and final eastbound manifest approaches.
32.4. Main 2, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 314 out.